Exercise 11.2, question number 6. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 cm, BC is 8 cm and angle B is 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through B, C and D is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. First we will see the rough figure for this question. So the first step will be to construct a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. So BC is given as BC is 8 cm and AB is 6 cm. After constructing this triangle, we have to construct an altitude BD of this triangle. So BD is perpendicular to AC, that has to be constructed. Then we have to draw a circle in such a way that it touches all the 3 points B, D and C. After that we have to construct a pair of tangents from the point A, vertex A of the triangle, to this circle. This is the construction. First step is to construct the triangle. So we will draw the base of the triangle, that is BC, 8 cm. This is the base BC of the triangle. Now next, we have to construct a 90 degree angle at the point B. So this is the 90 degree angle that I have constructed at B. Now on this line, I will be measuring 6 cm because that is the length of the side that is given. So measure 6 cm and mark the point as A. So we have AB 6 cm, BC 8 cm and angle B 90 degrees. So when we join AC, we will get the required triangle. The next step is to construct an altitude from B to the opposite side AC. So for that, we will draw an arc of any measure taking B as the center such that it will cut AC at 2 distinct points. Now we will bisect this arc. So take any measure more than half of this arc and draw 2 arcs from both the ends. Now this point of intersection that we get, this point we will join with the point B. Now wherever this intersects AC, that point will be marked as D. So BD is the required altitude. After that, we need to construct a circle that will touch these 3 points B, D and C. So for that, we need the center of the circle. Now for obtaining the center of the circle, we will draw a perpendicular bisector of BC. Now why we are drawing perpendicular bisector of BC? Because since angle BDC is 90 degree, we know that this is an angle in the semicircle. So therefore, if we find the center of BC, that will only be the center of the circle also. So this angle is 90 degree and angle in a semicircle is also 90 degree. So in that case, BC should be the diameter. So half of BC must be the radius. So by bisecting BC, we obtain the center of this circle. Now, if we mark the center as O, taking O as the center and OB as the radius, when we draw the circle, this circle will pass through all the 3 points B, D and C. So this is the required circle. Now we have to construct tangents from external point A to the circle. So for that, we are now joining the external point A to the center of the circle. Now same way as we construct tangents from any external point, we will be following the same steps. So join the external point to the center of the circle. Then draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment, that is AO. So in the next step, we are drawing perpendicular bisector of AO. The midpoint will be marked as M. So if we take M as the center and AM as the radius and draw a circle, we will get the point of contact of the tangents on the required circle. So one of the points you will observe is the point B itself. So AB will be one of the tangents, which is also the side of the triangle. And also because angle B is 90 degree, so we know that this AB and BO are perpendicular to each other. That is, radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. For the second one, we will mark the point of intersection as E and join AE. So AE will be one tangent and AB, that is side of the triangle, will be the other tangents to this circle. So therefore, AB and AE are the required tangents.